Grumpy Gramps Bricks Show. I am your host, Grumpy Gramps, and this is Space Science Lab, set 60439. Woohoo! Grumpy Gramps is my name, and science is my game. I was so excited when I saw this Space Science Lab 60439. I went to grab it, out of stock. Go online to order it, out of stock. Took forever. Finally, in stock, I was able to grab one. I wanted to grab a whole bunch of these and make a whole like lunar base, make a mock out of them, whole big lunar area, but just too hard to get my hands on these. And it's the set's okay. I've modified this one because I really didn't like the way it was set up, but we'll get into that. Let's go. This is the front side of the science lab. This is the door. Punch in your code. Beep, boop, 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 beep. Door opens up. Go on in. Closes back up. The side here, we have a little scooter, a space scooter. There's the batteries to charge it. Comes right off. You fly around, a little VTOL. The engines here can rotate to go forward. Or if you're landing, just coming for landing. There we go. This area has just got windows. This is where the bed is from inside, so you can look out at the alien landscape. And this is a hatch that you can attach. Hello, I'm coming out the hatch now. No, you're not. There's nothing attached to it. But I was hoping to attach more of these to and make a nice big space base. Let's take a look inside. Here we go. Here on this side of the space base, we have this handle. Pull this handle, and the walls open up. This side opens up. Everything opens up nice and wide to get in here and play. The only thing that this set had is this alien tree that I guess you were supposed to harvest these little buds for energy and for food. That's what they're doing the experiments on. See if they can make energy and food from this little space tree. But this left all this area here open, and that drove me crazy. Let all that alien air, dirt stuff in. So I put this plate here. I got a ton of these plates just to make it sealed off. Here's the front entryway. Showed you earlier. Back here is the hatch that you can go and connect different space modulars to. Here's the bed with the shower. Over there, a little shower, bed. There's a coffee cup. I don't know if that ring is for like playing basketball or for exercising. See if we can get a look at the TV here. Little TV, so you can watch your space videos, look at the outside and see the alien landscape. And then this is the actual only lab part in this whole building. This whole building, and this has one of these. You have a little microscope with a little petri dish there, looking at the alien crystals and filling up with a battery, I guess. Oh, and then this guy, I forgot to tell you, he's in a wheelchair. Okay, now, this is space. Zero gravity, right? Shouldn't he just be whoa, floating around? But yes, this is supposed to be on some kind of alien planet, so I guess there would be microgravity, maybe? I don't know. So I didn't think the wheelchair made much sense for a spaceship, but I guess for this one it does. I wouldn't have somebody in a wheelchair on a spaceship, that's for sure. Domes are nice, very nice. This thing closes up, but this set only came with this tiny little dish on top. I added this bigger dish on the bottom because when you used to close it up, this whole thing wouldn't seal. There'd be holes on the top. And if you're on an alien planet, in an alien atmosphere, not good to have holes. Oopsie. We had an accident. Call OSHA. Look out! Get back in there, you. Why, you oughta try to close this up one-handed. See if I can do it. Oh, I did it. Look at that. Way to go, Grumpy. Ta-da. See, I added this bigger dome to cover these holes here. Holes all around here. This keeps the alien air out. And then I added this plate on the bottom. Ta-da. Seals it all off. This all was open down here. Didn't like that at all. So had to modify this one a little bit. Still thinking about buying more. Making a mock out of them. Making a nice big lunar area. I need these orange hatch pieces. Don't have any of these orange hatch pieces at all. Need some more of those to make a big alien base. I don't know. Has possibilities to mock it out the way it is. I don't know if I would buy it to play with it the way it is. It's only one station, really? I mean, I don't know. But to turn this into a mock, definitely. If you can get them on sale, get them cheaper. I definitely. One other big thing I didn't like about it is this airlock. You open up the door, there's no second door. It just goes right into the research area. So that means if there's somebody working there and you open the door, they get sucked down into space. Not very cool. Not very cool at all. Space Science Lab, 60439. Wouldn't buy it to play it. Would buy it to mock it. Up to you. See what you think. This is Grumpy Gramps. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching the Grumpy Gramps Bricks Show. Like, comment, and subscribe. I am your host, Grumpy Gramps, and as always, keep on bricking.